Easy English practice. Hey, have you started working on that biology project yet?
Not really. I've been so busy with other classes. What about you?
Yeah, I started yesterday. It's taking longer than I thought.
Really? I thought it would be a quick project. What's making it so hard?
The research part is tricky. Finding the right sources takes forever.
That sounds annoying. I guess I should start soon.
The research part is tricky. Finding the right sources takes forever.
That's a good idea. I'm free on Sunday. Does that work for you?
Sunday's perfect. Let's meet at the library around 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll bring my laptop. Hopefully, we can get a lot done.
For sure. If we divide it up, it shouldn't be too bad.
Great. Thanks for suggesting we work together. It'll make things easier.
Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.